Good morning, students. Welcome to your social studies class. I hope you all students are doing well at your home. So, students, today we are going to start our chapter number 9, natural disasters. So, students, what are natural disasters? Natural disasters are the calamities which are caused by the nature. They affect the large number of people beyond the control of human. So, we are going to discuss about these natural disasters one by one. So, as you all have seen that flood is also one of the natural disaster which is not under the control of human. Then comes cyclones. So what are cyclones? Cyclones means when there is very fast moving wind. So these are also not under the control of human. Then moving to the next natural disaster, which is drought. So what are droughts? Droughts means a condition in which the rainfall become very less or the land become dry and unable to grow crops. So these are also the type of disasters which are not under the human control. Earthquakes, you all have seen earthquakes occur. So this is also a natural disaster which is not controlled by a human. Then all these type of disasters are known as natural disasters. So we are going to discuss about this first natural disaster, flood, in detail. So what are floods? As we know that every year during rainy season, heavy rains make the rivers overflow and cause serious problem. So when during the rainy season there are very heavy rains, these heavy rains are the cause of creating floods. The problems created by the floods is the damage of the crops and the damage of property and also damage to the human life as well as to the animal life. So floods cause so much destructions which is out of the control of human beings. Then there are different reasons of floods. The first reason of flood is when there is melting of snow. It causes one of the reason for creating flood. Then when there are very strong winds which cause sudden movements inside the water, it also cause floods. Then the next cause is when there is damage in the dams, then it also make the water out of control which leads to uh, creation of floods. Then the flood prone areas are Bihar, West Bengal, Odisha and Assam. We are going to discuss that why these areas are very prone to flood. We will discuss about this in our next session with a detailed explanation in which we can give the reasons that why these four areas are very prone to flood. Then different steps are there to control the floods, like number 1, we should plant more trees because the roots of trees slow down the speed of running water. The second step to control flood is we should build dams so that the amount of water should be controlled and it will not lead to the creation of floods. Then third, provide information to the people which are living in the area which are prone to the floods, and on the right time we should shift these people to a safer area and make arrangement for food, shelter and medicines for them. So these methods should be used for preventing the causes of floods. So I hope students you all understand this first natural disaster which found in our country, and this type of natural disasters are not in the control of human beings, this type of disasters are created in the nature and which are beyond the control of human. I hope you all understand. Thank you students and have a